Hi, so this is a video on how to operate the vacuum data acquisition device. There's one switch on the front panel. You turn that on. You should see a flashing green light here, which means that Bluetooth is trying to get connected. On the app, you're going to launch this app right here called Wrenchler 2, and it should connect to it automatically. Okay. It said failed to connect, and you see it's still flashing green. So you don't panic. You press the button called reconnect Bluetooth, and it'll give it a try. And now the front panel has a solid green light, which means we're connected. So we're going to press read pressure in the upper left hand corner. You'll see that's the pressure in kilopascal. It'll suck on the hose. Now generating vacuum, that's minus 52.6 kilopascal. Release that back to atmospheric pressure. The other options are to stop reading pressure, and you can save file. Save file, it says saving file, save success. Then you can go back to home. Exiting the program crashes it. I haven't fixed that yet. Then you go to File Manager, and the file will have today's date, hour, minute, and second. It will be the file name by default. Here's our vacuum file. There's where we had no vacuum at all, and we have the year, date, hour, minute, and second. There's where I generated the vacuum, and then there's where I released the vacuum. And next I'll show you how to change the battery in case it dies. If you're not using it, you probably want to leave it off. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about changing the battery. If you turn the on switch on and you don't get a green light flashing or a steady light, if there's just no light at all, then the battery is probably dead. So what you're going to need to do is remove the 6 screws from the top panel and lift that off. And it looks a little scary in here, I know, but the battery's over here. You're going to lift this up. The battery's underneath. You're going to lift up on this tab, and it's important to make sure you don't get the polarity wrong when you put it back in. So you're going to look for the plus terminal here, and there's a plus terminal on the lid. Push this little pink tab down along with the battery and get the yellow tab underneath it, so you lift it up again after. Push that down, put the lid back on, and reattach the screws, and that's how you change the battery.